Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be trying this popcorn. I don't know where it's from technically, but it's from other country, like a foreign country. So I'm gonna be trying it. It is not sure the name. It's not a normal packet, so I'm gonna get me a bowl and let's see. And maybe it's maybe a 10 out of 10. Don't know how much it is, but yeah. It's like that foreign color. Oh my gosh. Like that photo. Yeah, like that flavors like from Japan and like that stuff. So yeah, but it's not from Japan. It's like a different, like it's a weird flavor, like that. So I'm gonna give me a bowl and pour some out and now I'll eat it. So see you guys now. Okay guys, I poured it in the bowl. So yeah, so I'm gonna taste it. One. I give it a 12.2 out of 10.